Okay, students, now we are going to study the next chapter, that is social responsibility of a business and business ethics. Okay, so the next chapter is social responsibility of a business and business ethics. Okay, तो सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का मतलब है कि एक बिजनेस की समाज के प्रति क्या जिम्मेवारी है। अब भाई बिजनेस की और सोसाइटी का क्या मतलब है? मतलब बिजनेस तो हम प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे समाज कल्याण कहाँ से आ गया? तो ये बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है जो हमें समझना है कि एक बिजनेस और एक सोसाइटी के बीच में क्या ऐसा रिलेशनशिप है कि अगर बिजनेस सोसाइटी की केयर नहीं करता है तो बिजनेस के लॉसेस होने के चांसेस या उसके शट डाउन होने के चांसेस बहुत ब्राइट हैं। टुडे देयर वाज a quote by Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon, who is the richest person on this earth, okay, with a net worth of $185 billion. He said that the big organizations are bound to face the doom, bound to uh, go down in the go down or go are bound to fail over a period of time if they are not taking care of their customers. So, if Amazon has to survive, it has to take due care or concern of the customers to whom Amazon is serving. Okay, if Amazon is focusing only on its own profitability, then it is most likely that Amazon will also face the same future as many other big organizations had faced earlier. So why he has said that Amazon need to serve the consumer to survive and to grow and to be viable in the market? What is the relation between consumer and the business, or why he want to take care of the consumers? मतलब कंज्यूमर से क्या मतलब है? आप कंज्यूमर को सस्ती मेडिसिन दोगे? देयर हैज़ बीन a viral video going on that there is a chemist shop in Ludhiana and they are saying that we are selling the medicine at the cheapest possible prices. For example, they have said that Volani, which is available at the price of 120 rupees, and they have the purchase price of 35 and they are selling it at 40 or 45, means what is happening is that they are dealing with consumer and trying to serve the consumer. Why a business need to serve the consumer? Okay, ये जो रिश्ता है कंज्यूमर और बिजनेस का, उसे हमें समझना है इस चैप्टर में, दैट इज व्हाट द सोशल। अब कंज्यूमर, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? कंज्यूमर की। और ये कंज्यूमर कहाँ से आता है? सोसाइटी से। ओके, अब सोसाइटी बिजनेस को क्या प्रोवाइड करती है? प्रोवाइड्स बिजनेस opportunities to earn and grow. How? Society provides land. Society provides land to business. Okay? It provides demand to business. Okay, it provides tension-free environment for business to grow, i.e. no agitation, etc. ओके, तो समाज है, कंज्यूमर कहाँ से आता है? सोसाइटी से। जिस इकोनॉमी में जनरली हमारे देश में क्या बोला जा रहा है आज की डेट में कि सप्लाई विल क्रिएट ए डिमांड, मतलब आप सामान बना दो, कंज्यूमर तो खाएगा ही खाएगा। कैसे खाएगा? जब आप सामान अपनी मर्जी से बना रहे हो, मेरे से आपने पूछा कि मेरे को वो चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए प्रोडक्ट, क्या आपने मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग बनाया? क्या आपने मेरे टेस्ट्स को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश की? आप ये सोच रहे हो कि आप बल्क में बना के सस्ता अवेलेबल करा दोगे तो मैं उसे कंज्यूम करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं पॉसिबल। सोसाइटी में जो डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, कौन कौन है स्टेक होल्डर्स सोसाइटी में? आपके सोसाइटी एज ए होल, उसमें कंज्यूमर है आपका स्टेक होल्डर, उसमें आपका इन्वेस्टर है स्टेक होल्डर, उसमें आपका क्रेडिटर है स्टेक होल्डर, उसमें आपका रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर है स्टेक होल्डर, उसमें आपकी गवर्नमेंट है स्टेक होल्डर, उसमें आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं स्टेक होल्डर। ओके, और जब तक आप इन सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स जो सोसाइटी का पार्ट हैं इनकी केयर नहीं करते हो, आपके बिजनेस की प्रॉस्पेरिटी, उसकी ग्रोथ, उसकी एक्सपेंशन, उसकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी हमेशा डाउटफुल रहेगी। सो किसी भी बिजनेस को अगर ग्रो करना है, इट हैज़ टू अबाइड बाय लॉ, it has to abide by terms and conditions of the society, where it has to provide benefits to the consumer as per that it has to produce the product which is required by the consumer, it has to pay proper taxes, it has to pay proper dividends and interest to the creditors and the investors, it has to help the investment grow. Okay, अगर ये सारा कुछ नहीं कोई बिजनेस करता है तो वो अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फुलफ़िल नहीं करता है। और अगर बिज़नेस अपनी सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फुलफ़िल नहीं करेगा तो उसको लॉसेस सफ़र करने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, एंड इट्स बाउंड टू फेल, टू सफ़र और फेल इन द मार्केट, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट वी से अबाउट द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अ बिजनेस टूवर्ड्स द सोसाइटी। तो इसलिए समाज के तरफ बिजनेस का ध्यान होना ज़रूरी है। अगर उसे सरवाइव करना है, ग्रो करना है, प्रॉस्पर करना है, तो उसे सोसाइटी के डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स जो बिजनेस में इंटरेस्टेड हैं उनके इंटरेस्ट्स को वॉच करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, उनके कंसर्न्स को एड्रेस करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। इफ़ यू हैव डन दैट, then only your business can grow, prosper and expand. Otherwise it's very difficult for any organization to expand in a hostile conditions. अगर society आपके against है, it is in a hostile, you are working in an hostile conditions, you have started business in hostile conditions, you can never be able to pull on your business activities if the society is not in your favor. So ये जो है आपकी social responsibility है किसी भी business की। Okay, fine. So हमने ये social responsibility understand की है। Okay, so then here some of the philosophers have written. Keith Davis is there. He has written, social responsibility refers to the businessman decision, okay, and actions taken for reasons at least partially beyond the firm's direct economic or technical interest. मतलब किथ डेविस ने कहा है कि सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो सारे डिसीजंस हैं जो एक बिजनेस लेता है जो डायरेक्टली इकोनॉमिक और आपके टेक्निकल इंटरेस्ट से दूर होते हैं, बट दे आर इनडायरेक्टली लिंक्ड विद ऑल दीज इंटरेस्ट. And when you are taking care of the society, all these economic and technical interests are automatically being served. That is what the social responsibility is. Okay, so so social responsibility basically is being carried on by any organization to earn the social gains along with economic gains. आप समाज सेवा करते रहो और उसमें कमाई, उससे आपको कोई अर्निंग्स होने में कोई हेल्प ना हो तो वो भी बिल्कुल वेस्ट है. तो सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज़ एन एक्टिविटी वेयर बाय यू आर अर्निंग सोशल गेन्स अलॉन्ग विद द इकोनॉमिक गेन्स. ओके, सो हर बिजनेस जो भी समाज सेवा करेगा वो इसलिए करेगा क्योंकि उससे सोसाइटी उसको सपोर्ट करेगी, उसके प्रोडक्ट्स को लॉन्च करने में हेल्प करेगी और उसके प्रोडक्ट्स की डिमांड क्रिएट करने में हेल्प करेगी, एंड दैट विल ऑटोमेटिकली हेल्प द बिजनेस टू अर्न दी प्रॉफिट्स. ओके, तो ये आपके पास इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए है. ओके, and another important thing is no business should only focus on profit maximization. Rather, it should be wealth maximization, where the entrepreneur is getting its profits, and the other sections of society who are contributing, they are also getting sufficient returns for contributing and or supporting the business organization for carrying out the business activities. तो wealth maximization में हर section of society जो business को help करता है grow करने में, prosper करने में, survive करने में, उनको अपना अपना बेनिफिट मिलता है, प्लस जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है उसको अपनी प्रॉफिट्स भी अर्न कर पाता है वो. तो ये है आपके पास अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट वाई सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज रिक्वायर्ड. And another important thing is social responsibility is also required to be implemented by any business organization because it's a legal responsibility of every business towards the society to take care of the society, not to exploit its resources like water, air, land or electricity, whatever the infrastructure that is being used by the society should not be overtly exploited. And if it is done, if the harm is done, like you have done the air pollution or you have released certain gases without treatment, or water sewerage, water has been released without treatment because of which chemical has gone down into the water bodies, that will be an illegal act on the part of the business organization, and that can be concerned, that can be treated like a crime against humanity or against the society, and you can be punished. So that is the another important thing, that it has to be legally implemented, legally enforced, so that the society gets benefited out of the activities of any business organization. तो ये सोसाइटी है आपके पास. ओके, तो हमारे पास यहाँ आपने ये सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात की है. अब इसके आगे एक और एस्पेक्ट है, आजकल एक वर्ड चलता है कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, CSR. ओके, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज देयर. कंपनीज को कुछ पैसा अपने बिजनेस में एक साइड, दे हैव टू कीप aside to fulfill the corporate social responsibilities. Okay, and these corporate social responsibilities indirectly helps the business to earn economic activity benefits, or the social benefits, or the environmental development is being carried out through these corporate social responsibilities. Okay, तो ये पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स ही लेके आता है. और यहाँ पे क्या है, कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 में हमने ये एक लेजिस्लेशन पास किया जिसमें हमने क्वांटिफाई किया कि कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में कितना फंड आपको ट्रांसफ़र करना पड़ेगा। ओके, एंड दिस clause 135 of Corporate Companies Act 2013 has stated that this is required to for the national developmental agenda, मतलब आपकी स्वच्छ भारत में या और डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ में आपको कंपल्सरीली ट्रांसफ़र करना ही पड़ेगा एक पर्टिकुलर सम ऑफ फंड्स इनटू कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। ओके, एंड हेयर इन केस of 500 crores or a turnover of 1 crore or net profit of 5 crore, company needs to spend at least 2% of the average net profit। तो मतलब जिस कंपनी की नेटवर्थ 500 करोड़ है या टर्नओवर 1000 करोड़ है या जिसका प्रॉफिट 5 करोड़ है, उसको 2% ऑफ द नेट प्रॉफिट CSR के थ्रू खर्चना ही पड़ेगा। ओके, प्रोसीडिंग 3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर्स का जो है उसको खर्चना ही पड़ेगा। ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपने क्वांटिफाई कर दिया है कि ओके कि इतना पैसा आपको CSR में ट्रांसफ़र, तो कितना पैसा ट्रांसफ़र करना पड़ेगा उन कंपनीज को जिनका 500 करोड़ का क्या कहते हैं नेटवर्थ है या 1000 करोड़ की उनकी टर्नओवर है या उनका 5 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट है, तो उनको 2% ऑफ द नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ द एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ लास्ट 3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर्स का 2% CSR में ट्रांसफ़र करना पड़ेगा एंड दैट विल बी यूटिलाइज फॉर द डेवलपमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ इन द कंट्री। तो ये कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को कंपल्सरी बना दिया गया है अंडर क्लॉज 135 ऑफ द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013। तो ये हमारे पास कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स रिलेटेड टू कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी या सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि आर्गुमेंट्स इन फेवर और अगेंस्ट द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। सो आर्गुमेंट्स इन फेवर ऑफ सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं, हमें कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में जिम्मेवारी नहीं लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि हम इसमें इक्विप्ड नहीं हैं सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैरी आउट करने में, और कुछ कहते हैं कि नहीं हमें सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैरी आउट करनी चाहिए। तो सबसे पहला है आर्गुमेंट्स फॉर। ओके, here are certain aspects which are being discussed in favor of social responsibility. मतलब हमें सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्यों लेनी चाहिए, उसके कुछ इन्होंने पॉइंट्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, तो हम वन बाय वन उसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट क्या है कि सोल क्राइटेरिया फॉर सर्वाइवल एंड ग्रोथ। क्योंकि आपको बिजनेस सोसाइटी में रह के चलाना है। योर कस्टमर इज पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी, योर सप्लायर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी, योर क्रेडिटर इज पार्ट ऑफ सोसाइटी, you are getting resources from the society in the form of land, water, electricity, okay, and you are using air of society. So जब तक आप सोसाइटी की केयर नहीं करोगे, if you are not paying due attention towards the society whose resources you are using, if you are not taking due care of the stakeholders who are invested, who are interested in your business activities, if you are not taking their due care, you will fail. So social responsibility is taken by any business organization basically for the survival, and it is only this social society which will consume your goods at a higher rate, because they are more satisfied with your services, your quality of the goods, and your range of the goods which you are selling. They are very much happy with you, as a result of which they will consume more and more goods, and that will lead to better growth of the company. तो ये आपके पास सबसे पहला क्राइटेरिया है, sole criteria for survival and growth of the companies. Okay, that is the first argument in favor of social responsibility. Second argument is long-term interest. If you want your business to continue for over a longer time period, it is very necessary that the various stakeholders who are interested into the business should be taken care of, because all of them are part of society, and by word of mouth they are promoting your product, promoting your company, bringing more and more customers towards your business organization. So that is another important reason why social responsibility should be taken care of, that it helps the business to survive for a longer time period as compared to the various small businesses who die within short term period. Okay, तो यहाँ आपके पास क्या है कि सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अगर आप फुलफिल करते हो तो सोसाइटी में आपकी एक रेपुटेशन क्रिएट करती है. सोसाइटी विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम टूवर्ड्स यू टू बाय गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, and hence will feel satisfied after buying goods and services, so they will advertise your company to many more people. Okay, and in this way you get the benefits. Okay, तो ये आपके लॉन्ग टर्म इंटरेस्ट है जिसके लिए सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. फिर है अवॉइडेंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन. अगर आप सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन को फुलफिल नहीं करते हो, the government will start interfering into the functioning of those companies who are not fulfilling the responsibilities, the due responsibilities of social responsibility towards the government. Okay, अगर आप गवर्नमेंट के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन को फॉलो नहीं करते हो एग्जैक्टली, ओके, और रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को नहीं फॉलो करते हो, तो देयर इज बाउंड टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम which a company is going to face. Okay, so it is very important, if you want to safeguard yourself, if you want to avoid the government to be strict with you, so you have to fulfill or you have to follow the rules and regulations of carrying out the business, and you have to follow the rules and regulation which has been laid by the government to carry out the business activities. And if those rules and regulations are not being followed, society will get annoyed and they will not consume the product, and hence you will have to face the problems. Okay, तो ये सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में आपको रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को अगर गवर्नमेंट को अवॉइड करना चाहते हो तो आपको ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फुलफिल करने ही पड़ेंगे. ओके, देन देयर इज मेंटेनेंस ऑफ सोसाइटी. ओके, so when they are getting the benefits from the society, if in turn they are taking up the responsibilities of your community centers, or they are providing you playing field, or they are providing you coaches for being trained in various types of sports activities or various other things, if they are doing is They are basically establishing a rapport with the society and trying to maintain in a good relationship with the society, which can help that business to grow and expand in the coming time periods. So that is what the maintenance of society is. Another important thing is availability of resources. If the business is not taking care of the society, then society will not allow exploration of resources from their areas. Means they will not provide land, they will not allow you to excavate that land, and so on and so forth. Okay, for example, yeah, 2 days earlier, there was a news that a person got a diamond of in a diamond amounting to 50 lakh rupees. Okay, which the actual value of that diamond in the market is 50 lakh rupees. So if you can, if you are working with the society, then only society will allow to dig you those resources where you can get the diamonds. And if you are not working along with the society, then it is not possible to get the raw material which is required for carrying out the manufacturing activities, since society is against the parties concerned. Hence it is very important for any business organization to take care of the society, so that society does not create problems and allow you to exploit the resources or use the resources which are available with them. That is the another important reason why social responsibility is required. Then there is converting problems into opportunities. Now in pandemic time period, we are finding various types of problems. Okay, now we can convert these problems. There are many such problems which we are facing, which can be converted into opportunities. For example, uh, we were facing the problem that every other transaction was carried on cash basis. Okay, now a problem came in the form of pandemic and everybody got scared. So here is an opportunity that the government or the business organizations can convert that cash society, cash based society into a cashless society by creating various types of application and reaching to the farthest level where from where the funds can be traded easily electronically. And that is what the opportunity is being thrown by this pandemic in front of the business organizations, that if the business is taking care of society, then the society will also cooperate and thus create those problems which are being faced by the business into opportunities. Okay, so I have given you the example that the society has moved toward cashless society. So here the society is, if the business is giving is paying due care towards the society, then this society will provide more and more benefits to the business organization by going cashless and making the transactions online, and that will help the business to expand in a better way, because they don't have to then hide the money and then they don't have to do various other activities. So there is an opportunity available with the business organizations. Okay, the online facilities can be created and various other facilities. तो जो भी सोसाइटी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लेता है, तो सोसाइटी आपको नए नए आइडियाज़ प्रोवाइड करती है, जिनको आप यूज़ करके एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर सकते हो. तो ये आपके पास है, जो प्रॉब्लम सोसाइटी की हैं उनको आप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जांपल एक और प्रॉब्लम जो सोसाइटी आजकल फेस कर रही है, दैट इज़ जो वेस्ट है, द वेस्ट विच इज़ कमिंग आउट ऑफ होम्स, हाउ टू dispose it off. That is a problem being faced by the society. Now if the business is taking due care of the society, then they can install various types of plants which can convert the polythene into a material which can be used for construction of roads, and the other eatable products are there which can be converted into manure. okay, or there are certain other metal products are there, or glass is there, which can be converted into scrap and given back to the iron scrap can be given back to the iron or steel manufacturing companies. So here society has faced certain problem, but your business was taking due care of the society. So in that due care, they have installed certain equipment which is segregating the waste, which are converting one waste into manure. Another waste is being segregated and sent over to the glass manufacturing companies or plastic companies, or to the iron and steel manufacturing companies are there. So in this way, the problem which was being faced by society, that has been that has been looked in the form of opportunity, and you have earned money out of that waste by dedicating your attention towards the society's problem. तो ये business कर सकता है. फिर है better environment for doing business. The society, when being duly taken care of, they also cooperate the business to carry out its activities effectively and efficiently. They will allow usage of land, electricity, then various other water bodies will be allowed to be used by these factories, because these factories are giving paying due concern towards the problems of the society, helping them eradicate those problems. So society is also helping these business organizations to work smoothly by cooperating with them, and by providing them the raw material, by providing them the workforce, and by providing them the investment. So that is how society helps a business get a better environment for doing business or carrying out business activities. Then there is holding business responsible. Business has to take care of the society, because it is the business who is being held responsible by the society for creating problems, like you are creating problem, air pollution is being created, or water pollution by throwing into untreated water into the water bodies, you are creating water pollution. Okay, then noise pollution is being created by these companies. So so every society feels that it's the due responsibility of the business to take care or pay due attention towards these societies, because it's they who are using the resources of the society, and it is they who are creating these problems of a whole lot of waste material lying or being dumped at various places, or the water bodies are being contaminated. So since all this is done by the business organizations who are exploiting the usage of various resources, so they owe a responsibility of this towards the society, and they owe responsibility to remove all these problems. That is why we say that business is duly responsible for carrying out the social responsibility, because it is this business only which is creating problems for the society, and it is their responsibility only to solve those problems, and that is what that is why the social responsibility is required. Okay, so these are some of the points in favor of social responsibility. Now next we will do the elements against the social responsibility, why we should not follow the social responsibility, what are the problems in following the social responsibility. Okay.